So this is your first time at this mall?
It is.
Cool, I've been
Pretty
here.
cool.
I know, your jaw dropped when you just saw how big it was.
We just went through that one HO and
Now, it's disappointing. This cab was replaced completely. Oh, okay. Okay, cool, now we got it. I miss the old cab, though.
Montgomery also.
Even the doors used to be white, too, inside. There we go. Let's switch sides. Hope people don't get on. Well, if they do, we'll just stay on.
It has not been called. Come up. We'll go first.
And that's it.